So over here it shows the element highlighted that we right-clicked on, and every time we hover over an element to the right, you can see that it's highlighted to the left in the content. So the first thing we're going to do is tackle this floating issue. So if we move our cursor up, we can kind of get a sense of where the containing element is that might be causing this issue. So it looks like this could be it. You can see right here that the blue box is being drawn around all of the images. But if we move up just a little bit more here, it looks like the true container is right here. And if we look at the styles down here, we can see that it says float left. And if we uncheck this to disable it, we can see that it stops floating and becomes a full block element, moving the comments down below it. So this is the style that we need to override. Now we need to find a good selector. And again, if you don't know CSS, don't worry about it. If the work you do is exclusively site building, you likely won't be expected to do this. Alright, so let's find a good selector for this. We can play with this in real time by adding a new style. And let's check this float, because that float rule is going to be in there. And I'm going to click this selector and hit tab. Let's try float none on this. Okay, so this works as well. It's overriding the float left. Now, this selector was generated when we selected the div that contains these images that had the float on it, and we hit the plus button. So let's see if we can use this selector and get the effect that we want.